Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about some tedious threads that I made myself. So before the video started, please like and subscribe. Okay, let's get this started. So when you start the game, my thread is made for solo or duoing molten. So yeah, let's get this thing started. Just wave 0 to 5. You farm. Wave 6.
Light the match.
If you're solo, place our crew boss down and get it to level 3 between wave 7 to 9. This you should be able to do it.
Add some chocolate.
So yeah, if you can get it in wave 9, wave 7 to 8 for you is just farming. And afterwards, wave 10 to 13, please read the rest of the crew boss and slowly get them to level 3. And on wave 18, start placing your sledgers. And yeah,
Punch your X.
if you don't have sledgers, place down military bases. They're really useful for solo or duo. And secondly, in wave 18, if you placed down sledgers,
Cup Tower.
place 6 at level 0. In wave 19, you should be having around 2,600 to 3,000. Get some of them up to level 3.
Cup Tower.
And if I calculated correctly, this right now should be enough.
Destroy Tower.
For all the middle game to early game to middle game towers, which is pretty good. And
Clean the glass.
19, 21 to 26. Try and get some 2 to 3 level 4 crew boss.
Clean the glass.
If you can't, it's okay. Get some of the sledgers to level 4. Once ranger and put your attention at it, it's okay. But you need to place down a commander for it, which means that your solo team is farm, commander, ranger, sledger, and crew boss, which is pretty decent. If you're duo, player 1,
Light
farm,
the candle.
commander, military bases, crew boss, and ranger,
Pick up the phone.
or turret. And player 2, having the team of solo team, I just told you. And in wave 32 to wave 40, yes, it's straight to the end. Put down your more rangers and get your sledgers maxed out, because sledger is really the core of ranger healing things. Well, also they're really
Flip the stake.
Many damage, and which means that you're pretty
Flip
much
the stake.
getting them. Well, I mean, slider is really good, and ranger as well. They're a really good combo.
Hold his hand.
And so get the Rangers maxed out. If you don't
Hold
have
his
placement
hand.
limit, just save it. Save it until level 40.
Where the
Sell
ring?
all farms because it's the basic, dude. Everyone knows how to sell farms. Don't tell me you don't. So
Where the
afterwards,
ring?
and place more Rangers, which if you still have placement limit,
Where the ring?
around with 36 to 40 you don't have any placement limit. You should reach placement limit. So
Where
when
the
you
ring?
saved it down, you should have at least have 40